Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I just wanted to give my review of the process of the limited lifetime warranty on a starter that I bought from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. And here's the original one here that I bought. And I bought this back in 2018 and we're in 2025 now. What I did is I called them last night because I was having problems with the starter, and I said, hey, how can I do this where I can keep the old starter in the car for now, but come down and get the new starter? Because I could still get the old starter to work temporarily. So I wanted to, have the new starter to replace it and then bring the old starter back. So I don't know if they'll do this for everybody, but what they did for me is they just had me buy the new starter. And then they said when I come back with the old starter, they will refund me. So I have the old starter out, and I'm going to get the new starter put in, and then I'll bring the old starter back to O'Reilly's. And after I'm done with that, I'll be back to give my review, just in case there were any issues, but I don't expect there will be. They were very nice. So, and this is the brand here, at least of the new one, Ultima. I don't remember for sure what the brand of the old one was. I don't know if it was Ultima back then or if it was something different. So, okay guys, I'll be back after I get the new starter put in and return the old starter and tell you how everything went. Okay guys, I was able to get the starter replaced in my car, and I took the old starter in the box back to O'Reilly's Auto Parts, and for me, it was incredibly easy. The whole process was easy. I'm really happy with it. And so one thing I forgot to ask when I returned the old one was, like in my scenario, is this like a something where if it goes bad again in the future, the starter, can I replace it again, or is it like a one-time thing? So I called to ask, and they told me that it was different on different things. So you'll need to check with your O'Reilly's on whatever part you bought, how the warranty works for it. But in the case of my starter, it's something where if the starter does go bad again in the future, I can get it replaced again. They did just say as long as it's not something else causing the issue. But, hopefully I don't have any problems again in the future. Hopefully the starter lasts, a long time. Hopefully for the rest of the life of the car. This has been a great car for me. So overall with the process, and so when I brought the old starter back, they just refunded me. So I told you at the beginning of the video, yesterday I paid for a new one. That way I could, not have to take the old one out of my car, because I could still get my car to start. And, that way I wouldn't have to take it out, and I'd have, that vehicle to be able to go there and get the new starter. So I paid for one yesterday, and then today when I refunded, when I brought back the old one, they refunded it, and it was for the same price. So in my case, the payment I made yesterday and the refund I made today, washed each other out. And this is going to be like a different process for different people and different products, just depending on your O'Reilly's and what the part that you bought, what type of warranty it has. So just check with your O'Reilly's Auto Parts just to see, the specifics for your specific case. But I'm going to tell you, in my case, I'm really happy with the process. I think everything was really easy and went really smooth. And for me, there was no hassle. I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.